Welcome to the SolidWorks Master Program, a professional certification course designed to take you from a beginner to an industry-ready mechanical design engineer. The curriculum is by IIT Patna, with training conducted at BIT Baroda. This program is 100% practical, focusing on CAD modeling and simulation. Our program, designed by IIT Patna and delivered by BIT Baroda, focuses on industry-ready skills, prestigious certification, and job-oriented training. Key features include comprehensive CAD, real assemblies, manufacturing specialization, and expert mentorship. The complete learning pathway includes 4 tracks: Foundation, Intermediate, specializations in areas like sheet metal and mold design, and the Advanced Professional track. Program outcomes include mastering 3D CAD, understanding the manufacturing lifecycle, and achieving placement readiness. Track 1, the Foundation track, covers SolidWorks essentials like sketching, part modeling, and basic assemblies. The outcome is becoming a SolidWorks associate and preparing you for the CSWA exam with a project focused on a mechanical gear assembly. Track 2 is the Intermediate level, focusing on mechanical design professional skills. You will master advanced part modeling, assembly management, production documentation, and design automation. The goal is to achieve Certified Professional Status, CSWP, and be ready for product development. Specialization Module A focuses on sheet metal design, which is crucial for HVAC and enclosures. You will learn forming tools, advanced bending, and generating production-ready flat patterns with automatic bend tables. Module B is weldment design, ideal for heavy machinery and infrastructure. Learn to utilize structural profiles, automate corner treatments, and generate auto-calculated cut lists for fabrication efficiency. Module C, surface modeling, covers complex geometry and aesthetics for industries like automotive. Master techniques like lofts, boundary surfaces, and zebra analysis for perfect Class A surface continuity. Module D specializes in mold design for injection molding. You will learn plastic part design, core and cavity separation, cooling systems, and ejection systems for mass production. The final track, Advanced Professional, focuses on industry projects. This includes advanced assemblies, simulation and analysis, and product data management. The outcome is a job-ready portfolio, featuring capstone projects like automated assembly units. Our student project showcase highlights real-world application, from a mechatronic gearbox with motion analysis to injection mold tooling. These projects demonstrate industry-standard designs in sheet metal, weldments, surfacing, and FEA studies. The program unlocks diverse career opportunities in a high-growth sector, including roles like mechanical design engineer, product design engineer, and mold designer. Our placement readiness toolkit includes portfolio building, resume review, mock interviews, and Industry Connect. A detailed career path comparison shows potential salary ranges and key responsibilities across roles like surface specialist and structural designer. This analysis helps you understand the growth potential in various SolidWorks-driven careers. Ready to start your journey? The enrollment process involves counseling, a demo session, and final enrollment. Designed by IIT Patna and delivered by BIT Baroda. Contact us at 93289 94901 or visit our website to register now and secure your spot.